Well, hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar. Welcome back. Going to a thing, car thing. All the boys are coming. Gonna meet up with Drew and Don, I believe, at the library. And we're gonna head over to Troy, Illinois, and it's a car club, Southern Illinois Car Club. I don't know what their name is, but our buddy Marty, he's got the dart race car, his daughter races, and he's part of that club, and those guys do some of the coolest stuff. They got an octane tour, is the coolest thing, where they'll take 4 days and 100 cars, they'll drive it down to wherever and, you know, do stuff, you know, go places. Anyway, CUDA's cleaned up, mostly. There's some dead bugs on it. But yeah, so anyway, yeah, there I am. We're gonna go over there and do that, meet with those guys about an hour, drive over, the other boys will be there. I actually have been doing some videos. Let's see, you should have seen one by now if I didn't get it out like I should have. And the motors together, that'll be a video I think you will have seen by the time this comes out for the Coronet. And it's also been broken in and dynoed. Stand by for that one. Maybe a minute before you see it though. So anyway, yeah, that was not disappointing. What else? That's about it. Oh, God. Drew, we're working on Jay's SST. He's gonna have that at Mopar. It's in white now, okay? Went over there. Well, I was gonna do a video on it. We left about 11 and we were back at 4 a.m. to paint. You'll see, it was awesome. 4 hours of sleep maybe. Anyway, so Drew says, you know what? He says, we can wet sand this thing and shoot it in clear again. And I'm more amenable, I'm more agreeable to that now than I would have been back in February when we painted. I'm like, oh, hell no. But there's some trash in it, not bad. But where's the nib? There's a nib right there that fell off of the hose when he was doing it. Also, there's a spot here on the door. I don't know what you guys can see, but there's no paint right in this little stretch because it was pressed in and it was against the foam. That was unfortunate, and we can fix that. So I guess that's going to happen. Wet sanding with 600, I believe he said, wouldn't take all that long. But what I think is going on right now is this intro's getting too long, so I'm going to probably mount you guys up inside. We'll get a live action driving and go from there. So, all right, here we go. It's been a couple days since I started this, probably a week. I've been doing some servicing. Yeah, I'll give her a couple puppers. And a girl. Get out of the garage and try to stinking the place up too bad. Or warm up outside. Yeah, I had to do some work on the old CUDA. My muffler split on the passenger side. I took out the old axles with the long 3-inch studs that I raced with. Yeah, back to normal now. She's never going down the track again as long as I own her. Anyway, it's going to be a hot one, close to 100, I suppose. Johnny's bringing the big 10x20 tent we all bought, so it ought to be, it's going to be a good time. Food, music, buddies, little beer. Parked in the shade today. We normally park over there. Library's on the other side. You know why? Those guys are loading something up. There was a thing this weekend in town. And then I looked at my watch. I'm like, oh hell, I'm a half an hour early. But whatever. That's fine. We'll see the boys in a minute. Oh hell, here's Don. All right. already have a casualty. Don's got to run home. Whoops. Tire shaking. Well, we're off. Down a couple cars. Well, more than a couple from when we went to Gateway. One guy's got a girlfriend in Panama. He's down there visiting her. And Don, of course, he'll be there. There'll be a few more guys that weren't there at Gateway today. So anyway, I'm last in line. All right, see you when we get there. Over here, there was a black 70 Challenger with a wang. I don't know who that is. He needs to join us. I'm parked by them Chevys. All right, we're gonna find out where we're going here. Can't be too hard. So, oh shit, I think we went the wrong way. Yeah. Yep. Why the Challenger was going the other way. All right, we'll see when we get parked. They got a barbecue cook-off over there. And here we are. I'm gonna so hate being underneath that tree all day. That's for sure. Yeah, looking good, guys. I'm gonna go get my t-shirt. Store slides will do that. Fuel injected. All right, boys, getting ready to leave. I got you in here doing this because there's copyrighted music playing out there. getting ready to roll. You're gonna get a sneak peek at something that's pretty cool. Future thing coming up. All right, see you when I see you in a minute. Okay, boys, sneak peek for a new video coming out. I'm talking sneak peek. Jay's got an SST, bought from his uncle. Yeah, I might as well give you a little bit of a full Monty here.
Chuck, House of Mopar.
There you go, buddy. We're giving him a sneak peek, guys. Jay.
Looks awesome.
Looks awesome. That's all you get. See you at the house. I'm back. I'm clean. Grass is mowed. What'd you guys think? Good times. A lot of different cars there. That's the Southern Illinois Street Rod Association. They've been around over 50 years, and they do a lot of cool stuff. They have this thing called the Octane Tour. Maybe I mentioned that earlier, where you take 4 days and they'll go to Southern Illinois and to Kentucky maybe, and everybody will split up into groups of 3 or 4 and go to wine trails and stuff, and then all meet up back up and boogie back up to wherever they started. There was a competition, state competition, Smoking for the Kids or something it's called, but it's for the Shriners Hospital. So that was going on yesterday and today, and so yeah, good barbecue was available if you wanted to. Of course we did, and yeah, all in all it was a good time. Don, you've seen Don's yellow Duster before. He's the one that does the dyno. You'll be seeing that video come out. Engine builder and dyno, but he's bringing it out a lot more. He's had that since it was 2 years old and he was 20 years old or something like that. Rowdy little car for sure. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for coming along. Might even get to see a video in 2 videos in 2 weeks. I don't know with this one. I'll just plug it in there somewhere and do that. But anyway, thanks for coming. See ya.